today I have an unboxing from speedcube.com.au. So let's get straight into it.
Do you feel the bounce, baby? Do you feel the bounce?
Okay, so the puzzles are both Moyu, and let's just get straight into it. So let's cut this open. I don't even need to use scissors. Yeah. Alright, so I'll have a look at that in a sec. And here we go. Here's one of them, the Moyu Tangpo, and we'll just have a look at this first. So it says 2 layers magic cube, and then we'll open it up, and it's pretty tight in the box. Okay, so it's got how to solve it thing. Let's get straight into. Oh, that is a nice shade of green. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's in nice plastic, so let's open that up. Oh, and it feels really loose straight away. So, first turns, oh my goodness, that is so smooth. I'll do a quick solve on it, and then we'll get into the other one. So, oh my goodness, this is so cool. Okay, so that was the first solve, the Moyu Tangpo. Cool. So now, let's have a look at the other one. And the other one is the Moyu Aosu. Okay. So let's get on to opening this up. And I want to be careful with the box because I don't know why, but I like the boxes, so let's get it open carefully. Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, we'll put the box over to there. This goes over here. Alright, so another solution guide, and oh my goodness, it looks so good. Oops, fail. Here we go. Oh, I'm so excited for this. And then I'll compare it to my old mains, both of them. Okay. Oh my goodness. It hasn't got any lube in it, so that's okay. I like them how it is. And oh my goodness. I'll just try parity because a whole solve. I'll stop that up. Whole solve would be too long. Oh my goodness, this is good. Okay. So that was the. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot to compare it. So I'll just solve this. Okay, now let's go on to comparisons. So, start with the 2x2. Okay, so here's the Tangpo, the awesome new Tangpo, and this is my Rubik's brand. And they are very different sizes, as you can see. Well, not very different, but slightly different. The Tangpo is a few millimeters bigger, because this is the 50mm one, and the Rubik's is only 46 millimeters. So that is compared to a 46mm cube. And now this is my Along version 2, and it's good as well. And now we'll do a size comparison of these, and okay, line them up. And the Along is only slightly bigger than the Tangpo. So that is a lot bigger than I expected. Sorry, a lot smaller difference than I expected. But yeah, so now let's go on to the Aosu. Okay, and now here I have two 4x4s. The one on the left is the Aosu, and the one on the right is a Shengshao 4x4. And I don't know what version, because I got it off eBay, so please don't ask about that. Now, the turning on this is very clicky and not nearly as smooth as this, and this is a lot quieter as well. So yeah, I'll leave you guys with a couple solves, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.
Tantalize. She's out to get you, danger by design. Cold-blooded vixen, she don't compromise. She's something mystical and color lights. So far from typical, but take my advice. Before you play with fire, do think twice. And if you get burned, don't be surprised. Lifted, drifting higher than the ceiling. Ooh, baby, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? Ooh, sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, sugar, how you get so fly? Ooh, sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar with just the right amount of spice. Charming, alluring, everyone's desire. She's out to get you, you can't run, you can't hide. She's something mystical and color lights. I say, so far from typical, but take my advice. Before you play with fire, do think twice. And if you get burned, well baby, don't you be surprised. Lifted, drifting higher than the ceiling. Ooh baby, it's the ultimate